Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to find the exhaust leaks. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with this build. With that being said, let's find those leaks. Alrighty guys, we need to find these exhaust leaks. It sounds like a freaking tractor at the moment. I've got the full exhaust on there, so we must have some pretty bad exhaust leaks. I was just thinking before, maybe I can put my leak down tester in the up pipe and see if we can find where the leaks are coming out. I'll be able to hear them and feel them, but I won't be able to see them. If I had like a smoke machine, but they're like $300-400, I've already got the leak down test pieces, so let's give that a go so I don't have to keep starting it and getting all smoked out, exhausted. Alright boys, here's my leak down tester. I've already got the adapter on it, and this is my old up pipe from when I had the low mount. So with this adapter into one of the O2 bungs, this screws into it, so we can put pressurized air into the exhaust system. We're definitely not going to be putting a lot in there, and we'll definitely have the turbo spinning with putting some pressure in there. And yes, there's going to be pressure on the valves and everything, but we're only probably doing 5 psi. It's going to be seeing a lot more than 5 psi when we're driving. So let's take the front O2 out, which is just blocking it, and we'll put this in. If I can find a bung to go into this one, I'll just leave this one in here, so I'm not using that front O2 sensor anymore. So alrighty boys, we are ready to go. Yeah, let's see how we go. Well, I found one of the leaks. You know, you got 3 bolts on the Subaru. The front one is spinning. It's not even tight, so if you can see that one there, that's just spinning, and that is really hard to get to. Alright guys, I've been at it for a little while. Might be able to hear the air. So what I did to get like right in there, you get a bit of vacuum line. one end in your ear and the other end going around the flanges, and it seems to be still at the back of the 3-bolt flange. Not the 5. I ran around the 5. It's okay. But at the back of the 3. Yeah, it's coming out. I don't know if I mentioned, I did order another gasket kit for it. It's a 5-layer, multi-layer gasket from Mamba, I think it is. I was supposed to says it's going to be delivered tomorrow, which is Friday, probably most likely Monday. If it is Friday, great. I'll be pulling this off over the weekend then. So yeah, that's the only leak that I can find. I've tightened up a couple of bolts. One on the wastegate is completely clamped down. The one down here is not. So I'll try to keep doing that one. I tighten this one up even more. The 2-inch to the T3 flange is tight. So it seems like it's just that 3-bolt flange. But enough was still getting through to spin the GT35. Also still need to work on this internal wastegate. That's going to be easy. That'll be just a bracket. Alright guys, so I really can't do much until I get those gaskets in. So I'm working on the intercooler piping now. So no more Bluetooth, they are connected. We need to change that to a black one. That's just a straight 2-inch coming off the TD-05. That's actually at a good height, I reckon. And then comes, I'll put a straight in, we'll go straight through here, down to here. So I'll keep playing with that. I think I just got it. This might be out too far. Kind of. Alright guys, I think I've got it. Bear with me. So definitely got to change the blue one there. So coming through the guard. We've got this. Comes around. So you've got a big void here. We're going to be putting an oil cooler there. So that's why I've done that. So I think that should work. Looking at the other side. I've got the oil cooler. We probably can't do that. Have to put the bumper on to see. Alright, I'm going to call it a night. We'll come back. Hopefully we'll have the gaskets tomorrow. But yeah, made some progress with the intercooler piping. Let me know what you think. Except for that blue one. Obviously, when I get a better welder, I can do the intercooler piping. It's going to look heaps better. But for now, that'll do. Alright, just popped out to the garage this morning. It's Friday morning now. Just to grab the laptop. Because I'm helping Tanner from Smedia with his tune to get his Flat 6 STI going. Also, while I was out here, got a message from Ozpost saying that the gaskets are coming today. So fingers crossed they are coming. And we can get these leaks fixed. Alright guys, it's after work now and I stuffed up. When I ordered the gaskets, I put my home address and no one was home, and I went to the post office. I finished work at 5 o'clock and the post office closes at 5 o'clock. It's not open on weekends, so I can't get that until Monday. So I'm actually going to fire it up and see if I've decreased the leaks. If it's still pretty bad, we'll start to pull it apart over the weekend. Still very loud. Right, so we've got a decent leak. Great. Right, so hopefully I've started it up and had it running for long enough that we can see where it's been actually leaking from, because there might be a couple of parts that I haven't been able to see. So when we pull it apart over the weekend, hopefully we can fix that issue. Alright, so guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.